Hi, I'm Justin. I'm a student at John Fraser Secondary School and I'm currently doing my co-op at Trotec Laser Canada. I wanted to do a project that meshes my interests of art and biology, so I created this anatomy display that shows the different layers of a hand, more specifically the bones, muscles, veins, and the epithelial layer, which is the skin. For my first layer, I took a photograph of my hand and traced it using Adobe Illustrator. I imported the file into the Mimaki UV printer and printed the image onto TroGlass 3mm acrylic. I printed 4 registration marks so that the laser can read the file and know where to cut. I placed the printed acrylic into the Trotec Speedy 400. The Vision camera system read the registration marks and proceeded to cut according to the file. For my second layer, I drew the veins and proceeded to take a photograph of the drawing. I imported it into CorelDRAW, optimized the image for engraving and cutting, and then vectorized it. I then engraved both blue and red veins into another piece of TroGlass 3mm acrylic. I cut the same file using TroLace Thin's plastic sheets in blue and red. Finally, I inlaid the TroLace Thins into the engraving. For my third layer, I sketched the muscle tissue, took a photo and imported it into CorelDRAW. I photo optimized the image and proceeded to engrave and cut using TroGlass Gloss Red 3mm acrylic. For my final layer, I've sketched the bones, and like the previous layer, I took a photo and imported it into CorelDRAW. I photo optimized the image and then engraved and cut on TroGlass Gloss Black 3mm acrylic. Trotec helped me to use the SP2000 large format laser cutter to cut TroGlass clear 15mm acrylic from my frame. I've also cut a square TroGlass satin black 3mm acrylic base and glued it together with the frame. I found a 3D artwork file of a scalpel on Thingiverse.com and proceeded to 3D print it on the Proto 3000 MakerBot. I liked using the laser as it was able to engrave at a high degree of detail, especially in the muscle and bone layers. Additionally, I was impressed by the UV printer as I didn't know it could print on acrylic. So I really like this co-op because it gave me an opportunity to work with equipment such as the laser cutter, the UV printer, and the 3D printer.